I'm at a stall in Cirencester, but I forgot to chat to you whilst I was showing you around. My dad, bless him, has built me a really nice new plexiglass screen, so there's a bit more of a barrier between me and anyone coming to visit, which is very handy at the moment. But I just wanted to show you to see all the autumnalness, and it's great this time of year because the lights really show up when I'm on a stool. But I'm going to cut away now because I'm going to go do some pumpkin picking.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now
Sorry for the noise. I've got a little one. He is loving the bounceroo. But look at what we just got from the farmers. Oh, so many pumpkins. Oh, and this big beastie. Beautiful. So this one is from my garden. I'm quite proud of that, actually. I managed to get one from my garden. And then these three are from the farmers that we picked ourselves. That was just from Co-op, but he's good. He's just a little one. But look how cool they are. I love the colours that they've come in. I'm going to head to, well, I'm going to play with this baby girl and my other baby girl. And I'm going to head to the workshop and do a little bit of work. Hey guys. I forgot to film all week. It's been a little bit mad, to say the least. So this week, I don't know if you remember, but in the last studio vlog, I said that we were getting a new laser cutter and I'm really excited, and we had a delay in the laser cutter arriving. It was meant to arrive on Wednesday. And they were like, I'm really sorry, but the guy who was meant to deliver it has gone off ill, which is fine because we have a situation in the world where if people are ill, they need to stay away. And then they rearranged it for Thursday. So we got the old machine in from my parents, and the new machine arrived at the other workshop, and it doesn't work. Well, so it cuts, but it doesn't etch. And for me, I've got a lot of etching going on in my work, and I'm a bit like, oh no, please, I need it to work because I got a lot of stuff to make and I can't make it without a machine. Oh, bless the guy who delivered it. He spent so long trying to get this machine to do what it's supposed to, and it just wasn't playing ball. But he came here, he serviced, well, he checked out the old machine. It still needs a proper service because there's some parts that are broken and they were meant to get fixed at the same time. Yeah, so at least I've got this one to cut on, but I do a lot less cutting than what happens in the other workshop because my parents don't have 3-year-olds and 6-month-old crying, so they put the machine on for me, and it's all fine and dandy. So it's a bummer that that one's not up and running, but bless my mum, she's coming over this week to help me with it all, and hopefully we can be up and running hopefully next week. I don't know, I'm just waiting for confirmation from the company that we get our laser cutters from, and hopefully it'll be fine soon. So it is late on Sunday. I normally upload the vlogs on Sunday, don't I? And I haven't this week. It's been awful. I filmed lots of making food. I've done some good making food this week because it was my baby girl's 3rd birthday, and that was great fun. Oh, so much fun. I hope you liked my cake. I did film making some of the cake. And that was one of the businesses that I wanted to do and didn't end up doing because I thought it would take away the joy of making cake. She said to me, "Mummy, dinosaur cake." Okay. What kind of dinosaur? Just dinosaur. It's like, okay. So I normally like sculpting my cakes, but I decided I'm going to do a multicoloured drip cake and get some plastic dinosaurs because she can play with them afterwards, and put party hats on the dinosaurs. Because bless my husband, we were up until 12 the night before her birthday making party hats for tiny plastic dinosaurs, and then the rest of her toys, and putting up the balloons and everything else. So she had fun with them. So there was that. There was the laser cutter trouble. Oh, we had a lovely stall yesterday, which you would have seen, in Cirencester. So Cirencester is my old stomping grounds from college days. It's absolutely beautiful Cotswold town. If you've never visited, it's a place to visit. Maybe not at the moment, but in the future, it's absolutely stunning. We did a market there and it was really successful, which is what you want really at this time of year. Because Cirencester was so successful, we have completely run out of hair lamps. This is my mini hair lamp. This is the frame. It hasn't got any of the bits that need to go in her, and we are completely out of her. Can you see? I'll bring it closer. Can you see these etch? Yeah. So all this etch work is fine on my old machine, but not on my new machine. It's pretty vital that this is right. Oh, I hope it gets fixed. I really hope it gets fixed because I'll be so upset if it doesn't get fixed. So I'm still excited because I have the laser cutter here, so I can try out new designs a lot easier, and I can also do a lovely little speed run for you, which I'm going to do now. I'm really sorry, that might be really loud. Let me just sort that out for a second. That's quieter. I've got the machine humming, but that's not as bad. It's like having a computer on. So, I have been cutting out loads and loads and loads of hairs. I'm gonna call it a night now, it's almost 10. I have been slowly doing up the workshop a little bit. So behind me you can start to see a board coming together, and I got my fairy lights on my other little bit, just starting to make it look all lovely and pretty. But I do think I want to paint it. Definitely want to paint it and make it just feel a little bit more homely in here, a little bit nicer. Have an area as well for the girls to go to when I'm trying to get a little bit of work done, and there's like a chill hour time for them whilst I'm getting a few bits done. It's coming along. It is all coming along. I've signed myself up for my first online market, which is fun. So I'm a Patreon of Emily Harvey Art. I've mentioned her before in my vlogs anyway. She's running an online Christmas market in November, so I'm looking forward to doing that. And there's also another online market that I've signed myself up for, which is the Cardiff Christmas Indie Market. So that will be fun as well. I think I'm be intrigued at how it goes. I'm used to doing physical markets, normal markets, but not really savvy to the online ones, so it will be interesting, and I'll obviously let you know how it's all going. They say to set up a stall so you're ready for it and make it look all beautiful, and do an Instagram live so you can talk about your goodies and what you make. I think I'll be okay doing that. There might be a lot of so's, ums and ands, but and buts. Oh, honestly, like, you only see a fraction of the amount that I say on these vlogs because I edit all of them out, because I say so, but, and as a little thought process thing a lot. I'm trying to get out of it. I always went, I'm going to be doing a tea and chat on Wednesday. I know it's only 2 days away, isn't it? But I'm going to do a little tea and chat, and I'm going to chat about Inktober. So I hope you could join me for that one. And this one has been short and sweet, but if you've enjoyed what you've seen today and you want to see more of my lovely face and the things that I make, please like and subscribe, because it would really just be wonderful to grow the community. Oh, I forgot to mention, I'm wearing a new outfit and I'm really happy with it. So let's see if I can show you. I don't normally do what am I wearing because I don't normally care, quite frankly. But I mean, you can most probably tell from my colour range, I'm very much an earthy kind of person. I like earthy tones, and so autumn is my month, especially for fashion. Like, to be honest, my fashion is autumn all year round with the colours that I wear. But look at this, how cute is this outfit? I bought these dungarees yesterday in the market that I was doing in Cirencester, and they are so comfy. They're corduroy, and yeah, they're so comfy. And I've paired them with my amazing new, that's awful, what am I doing? I paired them with my awesome boots, which I want to show, which you've seen in another vlog, but look at this, wait it. So I paired them with these boots, which I am in love with. They're my birthday present from my husband. But yeah, I'm just in love. I'm just in love with this outfit. I'm really in love with it. It's so comfy. When I'm making things, it's so comfy. And then my little like headband to keep my hair out of my face. Oh, yeah. You're most probably like, Yanni, what are you on tonight? I don't know. I'm really tired. But yes, I'm going to see you again on Wednesday, and I will do a tea and chat and a little drawing because it's Inktober still, so I'm going to be doing some more Inktobers. I know this has been a really random one and a bit chop and changey, but I hope to see you in the next vlog and have a nice time together. See you later, guys. Bye.